Hi guys, this is Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. Well, with the summer heat going on and Mumbai city where the temperatures are just soaring high, I think everybody just wants to have a chilled, yummy ice cream. And that's why today I'm going to be showing you a 3-ingredient, very simple vanilla ice cream. It's going to have a really smooth, creamy texture and it's going to be delicious. So let's get started then with this amazing, delicious vanilla ice cream recipe. So friends, for our very simple and easy 3-ingredient ice cream, vanilla ice cream, we require the following. Here I'm using some fresh cream. It's about 250 ml. Then I'm using some condensed milk. This is about 200 grams of condensed milk. You can use any brand. And we're just going to use about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence because this is a very strong essence. You can even use the extract or the vanilla bean. So it's very simple. So let's get started with this awesome vanilla ice cream. So for our ice cream, in a bowl, we will take 250 ml of fresh cream. Using a hand mixer, we're going to beat this for exactly 8 to 10 minutes. If you don't have an electric hand beater, you can also use a whisk or even use a mixer or blender. But you have to beat this till it gets nice. After beating the fresh cream for about 10 minutes exactly, it also helps if your fresh cream has been chilled for at least 2 to 3 hours, then that gives a better consistency and stiff peaks. You can also use a hand whisk or even a blender to just mix everything together. Now to this we're going to add our condensed milk. You can use any brand. I will also leave a link below on how to make some condensed milk at home. Then we're going to add our vanilla essence and again give all of this a very good mix so that everything is well incorporated together. It does get a little messy. And now we're going to stir everything and again give it a whisk. So see that everything is mixed well. And now we're going to pour this into a container, preferably plastic or glass. We're going to cover this with a plastic film or a clear film because this then doesn't you get these small little ice particles otherwise. So this helps in getting a nice smooth consistency, a very creamy consistency to ice cream. We're going to cover this and we have to freeze this for 12 hours. So we have to be patient for some nice, creamy, delicious vanilla ice cream. And now comes the final moment of truth. Well, you can see because of the plastic wrap, there is no ice crystals formed on the surface of the ice cream and it is extremely smooth. And now using an ice cream scooper or a spoon, you can just take out a lovely scoop of this creamy vanilla ice cream. I can't wait to taste it. So here friends is some amazing homemade 3-ingredient vanilla ice cream. Please do try out this recipe and please do let me know in the comments box below as to how you liked it. See ya! Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.